In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone reports on the dashboard in HubSpot. Cloning is a quick way to duplicate an existing report so you can reuse its setup, make small changes, and keep your reporting consistent without rebuilding from scratch. Start by opening your browser and heading to a search engine. Type HubSpot, then click through to the official HubSpot site and sign in to your account. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the right portal so you clone the correct report. A quick tip: bookmarking your HubSpot login page can save time if you do this often. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the reporting area. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the labels. From there, click Reports. This brings you to the list of reports available to you, including those you've created and any you can access across your team. Find the report you want to copy. Hover your mouse over its row to reveal more options, then click Actions. From the menu that opens, choose Clone. This creates a duplicate of the selected report, preserving its structure and filters, so you have a safe copy to modify without affecting the original. You'll now see fields you can customize. Update the report name to something clear and specific. Good naming makes it easier to search and avoids confusion later. Next, add tags. Tags help you organize reports by project, team, funnel stage, or metric type, which is especially helpful in larger accounts. Finally, refine the description. Use this space to capture the report's purpose, key filters, and how it should be used. A concise, informative description saves time for anyone who opens the report in the future. When your name, tags, and description look good, click Next. You'll be prompted to set who can access this report. Choose the visibility that fits your workflow, whether you're keeping it to yourself while you iterate, sharing it with a specific team, or making it available to everyone who needs it. If you don't see the option you expect, you may need different permissions from your admin. To finish, click Save. Your cloned report will appear in your report list, separate from the original. From here, you can open it, adjust filters, or use it anywhere you'd normally use reports in HubSpot, all without disrupting the initial version. And that's all it takes to clone a report in HubSpot. Search, sign in, open reports, clone, refine the details, set access, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.